You guys are doing well, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the objects in your picture from the Adobe Firefly, the generative fill option. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Adobe Firefly website, and after going to the website we need to choose the option which is called generative fill, and after choosing that option we have to upload the picture. So as you can see, I have added this picture. Now what we need to do, simply we have to choose the area that where you want to add an object. For example, I want to add the object here. Now what we have to do, after selecting the area with the brush, we need to provide the prompt. So I'm going to provide the prompt that add a boat here, and then simply what we have to do, we have to click on the generate, and after clicking on the generate it will show the result. So we have to wait for a few seconds and let's see what result we are getting. So as you can see, it has added the boat which looks like a real one. So as you can see now, as you can see the result here, if you want to check out this one, you can also check this. As you can see, the boat is also added here. If you want to check out this one, you can also see that. So as you can see, these all type of boards are provided here. Now you have to choose that which one you want to use. If you want the more results, you can also do that. If you want to keep this, if you want to cancel this, you can also do this. So I'm going to keep it. So as you can see, it's look like a realistic. So in this way, you can add any kind of object in your picture with the help of Adobe Firefly's generative fill option. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.